Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing a Google account with two-step verification so your store stays protected. Next, sign into Google Merchant Center and verify your website ownership. This proves you control the domain. Once verified, upload a basic product feed with GTIN, SKU, clear titles, prices, availability, and shipping weight or dimensions. Do that now so you have an operational feed. Make sure to choose the correct target country and currency, because that determines tax and shipping defaults. Once the basic feed is live, you optimize product data to improve visibility and click-throughs. You refine titles and descriptions with buyer intent terms, add high-quality images, and populate brand, GTIN, and condition fields. Then choose a feed delivery method: scheduled uploads, a hosted feed, or the Content API for rapid changes. Make sure to link Merchant Center to Google Ads and any supported sales channels to enable shopping campaigns. Also, configure tax and shipping settings so final prices match the landing page. You finish by checking Merchant Center diagnostics and resolving any disapprovals, such as mismatched prices or policy violations. After corrections, request a review. Google typically reprocesses soon. Next, test sample purchases end-to-end and inspect landing pages, ensuring mobile layouts render correctly and buttons work. If products are underperforming, use insights and change bids in Google Ads. A key troubleshooting tip: when items keep disapproving, compare live page markup to your feed, fix any discrepancy, and then resubmit for review.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.